This is how you use Snip tool to take a screenshot. So when you turn in any of your logic puzzles, I'm looking for this screen here, and I'm looking to see that you have all of these levels check marked. So we go down to the search bar and we type snip. We're looking for the snipping tool. There it is. I'm going to double click that to open it. I get a new window up top here. I'm going to click new. Then I'm going to line up the plus sign where I want to start my snip. I click and I drag, and as soon as I let go, it's going to create a snip for me. So now I need to save it. So I save it by clicking this floppy disk. I know you don't know what a floppy disk is, but that's what that is. Click the floppy disk over to the right. Pay attention to where it's saving. Yours is probably going to save in your pictures. It's called screenshot. You can certainly rename it. And I'm going to hit save. Once that's done, we close it out. After that, you're going to go into your Google Classroom. You are going to find the assignment. So for that one, it would have been the Huda Math Dissection. This is the assignment. Mine looks different than yours because I'm the teacher. But over here on the right, there's going to be a button that says Add or Create. You're going to click Add or Create. Then you're going to click Browse from Computer or Upload or one of those. It'll be here in the middle at that point. And you're going to find that picture. You select that picture and hit Open. After it's uploaded, then you'll come back over here to the right and you'll click Turn In. And that's it.